Campfire crackles, ripsticks curl. Campfire crackles, camp oven simmers, coals pulse, embers glow. Hearty bushman stew, rump steak, scrubbed potatoes, chopped celery, sliced carrots, diced onions, all basting in a storm of flavours. 2 pinchful of grated ginger and 1 secret ingredient to sweeten. Campfire, savoury stew, wafting, weaving, up to the timber deck, to 3 kids playing on ripsticks. Slimline mini skateboards, bottoms neatly fit into its scoop deck, legs out straight, hand steer on floor. Ripsticks wind round veranda obstacle course on pivoting 360 casters. A cry goes up, "Let's race! First one gets beef stew!" Take your positions. 3, 2, "Come and set the table," yells Mum. 1, go! 1 ripsticks curl swerves right at lounge. 3 riders race down straight past outdoor dining table. 1 rider must take corner first. Hands roll, pull, roll. Ripstick speed forward. Floorboards grumble. Right hand, left hand, pull. Corner of table coming up fast. No one's backing off. Youngest rider lifts hand to oldest, power on. Shoulder to shoulder. One has to back off soon. No one breathes. Only one can take the corner first. "Back off!" yells the youngest. "At least bring down the spoons," Mum calls. Lean in, right, turn, turn, turn. Both riders turn in parallel. Outside rider works harder. Big pull, right hand, lean, right, slight nudge. Oh! Inside rider loses 1/10 of a second. Outside rider leads straight on. "You did that on purpose," yells inside rider. "Yeah, well you were too. Bring down the glasses," calls Mum. "Come on," yells the youngest. All 3 scramble back on ripsticks. "Prepare for the chase." I'm being chased by the police. "You're going the wrong way." Winning rider speeds off yelling, "Goodbye, muchacha." Youngest falls off ripstick. Now she's on foot, chasing other 2. "Red light, red light." "I said red light." "What does that mean?" "It means stop." But no one stops. "Bring down the soup bowls," Mum calls. "Did you see that? I delayed the officer." Reverse, reverse, reverse. 2 ripsticks slide sideways. 2 run stickless. "Don't try and trip me." "Halt! What are you doing?" "Back on ripsticks," yells youngest. Swerving, turning, near missing. Crash! Collision. Legs, arms, ripsticks tangle. Dad yells, "Grub's on! First one down gets double beef stew." "I'm first," yells youngest. "No, I'm first." "No, I'm first." Push, shove, legs, arms untangle, ripsticks flung to side. 3 kids line up, bowls in one hand, warm damper in the other. Dad scowls. Mum taps a foot. Youngest glides forward. Thick beef stew. As campfire crackles.